let's determine a number of ways that the word senselessness can be arranged. So the number of letters in this word is 13, and we can label different categories using the different letters in the word. So we have 6 letters assigned to category S, 4 E's, 2 N's, and 1 L. So therefore we can calculate the number of arrangements using N on R1, R2, R3, and R4, which is equal to N factorial on R1 factorial by R2 factorial by R3 factorial by R4 factorial. So basically we have 4 categories, and we're applying the multiplication rule to determine a number of ways that the word can be arranged by successively assigning those letters to those different categories. Now 8 people are each dealt 5 cards in a game of poker from a deck of 52. How many different deals are possible? So what we need to do is put 52 cards in 8 lots. So 5 for each player. So given that 8 lots get 5 cards each, which is 40, we have 12 cards left over, and therefore the number of possible deals is 52 cards, and we split those up into 8 lots, so that'll be 5 8 times, with 5 cards in each lot, and the last lot gets the remaining cards. So therefore the number of possible deals is 52 factorial over 5 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial 8 times, so this will be to the power of 8, and multiplied by 12 factorial.